well wishers, business community, Maruina Kogi Hero Toxom the lit roll Lorga, Nasi Dhabali YBU campus the labor, whole state the Sinbi Ribasigumba, Entrepreneurs Discourse, see Sargiana Beling directly by Ampunamakpu, Rikai Kumnabucha Bagolo and Kuramjari. I on the Sinabi topic see emerging Manipur, Ibani. The emerging Manipur see Matang discussed over Homatamda part any thong like Kadok Sage, Ahan Bagi part Sina, a Quigi organization, Babina group of company activities in Matanga, a minute Karai, Panjaram Gadu, Matunda, the main topic, the emerging Manipur, especially in relation to entrepreneurship development ki Matanga, Mayamda, Wapung Kratamjage. How about the court Amagaloina Hosage? See, court see Manipur gi situation Yam Chana Brian Kanji. Manipur see economy, the Sonba central funding the Maru in a depend or Hingbadu Mustate. Akoi the below poverty line gi me see Masing Yamnali. The Sigi Hypet Manaba, Rwanda, Asia, African country ni, Adugi politician Namana Piramba, Adumba, quotation ni. Quote, we must create economic opportunity, build a culture of entrepreneurship, get people to take responsibility for improving their lives rather than putting them in a position where they sit back in their poverty and blame others for it. So yam chana ba ganoni duna economy phagalana bagi damakta khwaidagi maru ba activity ma hai taragadi entrepreneurship development chine. Aduna once entrepreneurship si phajana pung phana Manipur da develop torak taragadi akoina thengnari ba sel thumge wa ba si khara khai makti kokani aduga loina na thabak phangdabagi samasya chauba ma thengnari bisisu handan bada mateng pangani. Babina group si company ahumna sabadu organization amani private limited company ahumna semba aduga akoigi activity na maru na healthcare amasung hospitality industries ki matang dani aduga hariba organization sida pulapna mi lising ama henna thabak suri hujujimak yam humble beginning ni yam chamna hogiba the yam pikna hogiba aduga organization ni sahi ngasi dagi sahi kuntra nipan kuntra mapan gi mamang the 1983 November. A small clinical laboratory in Imphal, BT Road, Rims Road, with a minimal investment or nominal investment with the basic laboratory facilities. Take, akoi meter on the Haragana, take, Mana Hogjarapani. Tapna sum Chocolate steady growth labor, Nadumba organization. Aduga 1995 ta small laboratory do Mapung Phaba diagnostic center ama oibangam ki adu ngasi su sahi kunthra nipan kunthra pan matungda hairiba unit si akhoi gi organization gi atop unit mayam leiraga su Babina diagnostics ina akhoi gi flagship unit ni khwaidagi maru oiba adugumba unit ama oina leiri 1993 da isamaki photo ni matamdu da I hujikte 68-9 muga main yoramani aduga sina sei kunthra mathoi ni thoi adwai photo ni aina yamna hawringe gi aduga BT Road ta leiba laboratory manung da number photo ni 2007 si khoi gi history da khwai da gi maru oi ba khoi organization gi very important milestone hari ba sahi se da khoi gi diagnostic center si north east ki oina ihan hanba NABL ki accreditation phangba du maleba moi ki matam du da masing yam de accreditation phangbasi akhoi laboratories na India gi oina pulapna 100 suba adumaina oi gi adu hojikti lising mari manga hena accredited toba laboratory mayamam lere loina na same years da koina the private limited company ma koi same gi maming na Babina healthcare and hospitality industries private limited thana primary objective ti akhoi activity healthcare tormbasi khoi hospitality sector da diversify to gi planning loina na khoi हाइरिबा कंपनी से समझगिबनी अदुगा लोइनना सेम ईयर से दा कोई डाइवर्सिफिकेशन तौरे अदि क्लासिक होटल अरीबा कोई नॉट एवर सिदा लेरबसी 2007 दा कोई प्लान तौरगा 2009 दा लोइसलगा दमाय तौना संगा किबनी कोई द एम्प्लॉई ओइबा कोई द थबक सुबा स्टाफ खरगी ओइबा फोटोनिस ऑलमोस्ट मे बी अराउंड हाफ ऑफ द कैपेसिटी ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर दा इंग साइजु पंजग रे बबिना डायग्नोस्टिक्स से कोई फ्लैगशिप यूनिट ने मागी मफमना मेन लैब सिना कोई पोरमपाटो ओइबा दुगा रिम्स रोतना मागी ब्रांच लई अदुगा जॉइंट वेंचर यूनिट्स चुराचानपुर कोहिमा हाना तमु मुसुम कालेवादा लेरमे दु होजिक्ति लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन जिना मई पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट सिना होजिक्ति ऑपरेट तौद्रे लोइना 120 collection centers in Manipur and neighboring states especially in Nagaland even up to Shillong hojiksu Shillong dagi adum akoida biopsy na chingba specimen adum lai test tona bagi damakta aduga ikuidana 2020 ki September da Manipur ki dedicated cancer hospital Babina Oncology and Specialty Hospital in collaboration with American Oncology Institute ka loinana September 2020 da hangdok sagibani sina Manipur ki hanba dedicated cancer hospital haribo hospital si da koi cancer layang bagi facilities mai ai bagi operation to bagi chemotherapy amasung nuclear medicine ki facilities mai ammadum leijare koi main diagnostic center Porompat sina lab ki manungi picture amani saji wada leiba usiki Babina Oncology and Specialty Hospital ki photograph hospitality sector da akoina 2007 dagi plan toraga diversify tora matung da 2009 da operate togiba operation hogiba classic hotel ga loina na hojik makhagi unit sing leijare classic hospitality training institute koi hotel da hospitality operate to the changba manpower ki training pinana bagi tawjaba du main institute ni classic grand sina 4-star ni du member of radiation individual wire sina loina na public private partnership ki makha hotel Imphal amsung Sendra Park and Resort sizo koina operate tawjari huziki wena classic grand ki photograph ama by profession I the medical doctor ni duga concept of entrepreneurship saying on the thoidokpa gyan ta te matam da hujik su dum gyan ta drin log jaina ain tawri se in tawri khar sin tawjabani tawri ba khar du phajana machu tana tawrdi dum mathanda oijarakani haibagi confidence going on the lay I the yam hena mamut tana entrepreneurship what is enterprise what how it's operated kaiba theoretical concept going on the hanasu yaudi hujik su dum yaudri ni khanje aduna limited concept on entrepreneurship or business adubu angang oring edagi koi ki family da koi parents ina grocery dukanam phamame dukan macha ma reda angang oring eda koi pot chei tikpa chatpa poraga pot yonba khotpa dukan dong hanga yengba adugum bagi small business to de koi dum participate to jare in kanmada du su dum koi ki brain da khara chu ho buduna dum tung da su dum kana brai nai khanjai MBBS tambal loisalakpa matamdai isagi wena dreams hi private laboratory natraga diagnostic center ma tawge habsi sada dum matamdu dege on the dreams hi dum tawba hore aduga subject su lab tawna na widam taina pathology ji khallaga PGI Chandigarh da 1979 da ming chalaga dum tamakhi bani adu 1982 da loiraga tholakpa matamdu da di hopsi thabak phangani haibagi asa yam chaung lerami yumda halak matamda adubu halakpada unfortunately rims da post amat leite aduna thak piba ngamoi hana rims ki authority na takpirak padagi aigi life ta khwaidagi frustrated hoy matamma oi ki tha taru muki matamne thabak phangna bangai base aduna hojik su aigi life ki wana gi punsi gi wana sum thenar pada thak phangda bagi wa base matam da dai si yum kaisu palaba ima angang chanu pim su leraba Babina se ichanupi ni koi bank of Baroda gi niroda kano khagi nijolata ai mangdu pham lai re mai classmate ni hair bai ichanupi su lai re aduna PG post graduation se loira ba yum su pala ba angang su lai raga pocket money amta leitana ima ipa dagi pesa niraga scooter ga dusu yamba idu wire lauraga dagi thau ga si hamna pesa leitana mingon dai niraga thauraga dumaina leiba si life ta yam sathina frustrating oi nungai ta dum pawi hairiba matam sida da ina laboratory si tawna bagi dum planning si tawba hore aduga loina na hairiba 1983 ge November se the lab si hogi bani adu tapna konna rims ki post su hangaktana engon do offer lak padagi ai si join toraga chai tarama thoi khak rims sa thawak tawjarami adu matungda rims sa thawak taw leiraga di ai gi future gi plan chauna diagnostic center run toba aduga te ina interest level area da activities si tawbunga maro have si khangbadagi aina voluntarily resign toraga rims sadok charamani matam du da associate professor oina rims sa leijarami matam du da engonda akhoi gi oja singduna advice tawgi mandudi asuk yamna secure oraba safe oraba sigum service ki dong thadoga risk leiba nangi lab to wait to the dong to no na lab to mai chakra di na kramai to ni hana engonda ki hale adu in life we need to take risk log draga di khoi thabak to yaro hai bisi masu khoi puna mana khangmi nabam change adu I took risk thabak thado me aduga loina na ina full time hoina igi activities si tobjarak pani adugi ai ngasi so adugi mahi chajabane na lojai hospitality sector di yam thengna lai 2007 adai da lakpani adu 5 adai da discussion to ba hore maroi na khoi na medical profession da leibisina conference kumba seminar kumba jam to sili mayam gi mapan da gi expert mayam koraga koina conference seminars mayam sin bas leita moi gi leibham sigi sin bada awa bayam thengnei leibham leitabagi hotel lamada koina koi expert ama thamma tamda nongalaga mana koida liba wari mali ngarangi noina thambire bai hotel du da aisi heart attack toramade aisi layang dana siramgani hai man hai ade kai kadorage hangka nama hai hotel do by 8 o'clock everything was shut down there was no power supply the intercom was not working no emergency lamp in the room my high save 8:30 gini matam do around insurgency so am kanba the law and order am phattaba matam jo ba aduna mana bujiki doctor sina yama power doctor ne ma pandagi kai surgeon nama adu toilet sange na hona basi da mai mamam ne ma toilet ki thi khangda na ma floor da san saraga chalaga thong du thi hai man hai exactly see what is ne man leave se adugi magi wari du taru kan dai ngonda amna chow impact my brain se pi gi adugi impact tu gi result ne nga se classic group of hotels slice adugi wari du taram matung da decision lore aduga igi ichani pa to madu you go for the hotel management are you interested in hang badama chatke na hai ahan ichani pisiga magi hek makha da ni pam le moi ni du medical to re matam da do pare du dina hotel management tawro na tawraga mana chatkhra somna na koina construction tawraga mana tholkpa 2009 da lora tholok matam da chana na loisalaga koi 2009 da classic hotel je habjagi bani cancer hospital sina ikui kui dana koina hapsin jari simram ji Manipur si cancer incidence am wangi north east ki oina khwaidagi wang basina kanoga Mizoram ga Arunachal ga noiba aduga Manipur si third or fourth position adai dale cancer incidence ki adubu mapung phana layang bayaba Manipur hospital amata leitaba facilities am wat paduna maram werga khoida adugi aho badu mention na bagi damakta koina masigi hospital si promote tok jabani investment yam chawi aduga magi subject expert specialist yam changba hai basi Manipur leitaba specialist mayam yawi aduna koina mapan gi partner American Oncology Institute se Hyderabad based hobani India da moi huju ki oina hospital tara ga taret leire mani imphal gi yauraga mohoi ga tanaraga mohoina managing partner mo eraga koina infrastructure piraga admai to duna hojagi bini hojikti Manipur gi patient listing tara dagi hena hari hospital se da magi facilities ki kana ba phangan jagra haurak pada koi proprietorship oina pikna hojagi bani aduga adu matung da partnership on thokpa adu partnership sa koi family partnership nei aduga hojik na private limited company ni phase ahum ni proprietorship partnership adagi corporate or the private limited company loan lo matam da proprietorship si magi the limitation yam lai yam chauna loan lobagi kana badu phangmang amoy partnership the to some extent little better the best thing the private limited company oragadi magi liability mayam dilay adubu akoina business activity ki growth ki damakta di private limited company oragadi bank tagi financial institution sing dagi akoina mateng lobu matamda khara hen khudong chaba phangani ihan hanba akoi loan ji lupa lising nipan khaki loan lobjagi akoi life ki bank ki loan karamba logi na ingonda hang taragadi kayam logi hai tar de first loan from the United Bank of India in RIMS branch that was 8,000 rupees to purchase a refrigerator for my laboratory. That was first loan. Adu matung dagi di partnership orakanda few lakhs 20 lakhs kumba adu main toraga lobuduna hojikti private limited companies na loan lobagi di adum chauna lobadum yare koina project si phajana sarga financial things da convince tonga magadi koi net fee gi priority lere moina se am mating pangbi aduna hojikti loan si loaning dana lere loan lobi si loiba naite aduna adum marak marak ta ina mayang gori sabadam haijai life si bu sumai tawna dum loi dor brana loan lodna dum ado kana gumana encourage dum tawe kai diga ambani ho kari ho loina loan lodim ni ado moisu chong tolim ni ado kona di proof tawre Vijay Maliana 8,000 crores pur chengre adagi Nirab Modina 11,000 crore pur chengre kan tawdo ado de gyan tare o moisam chong lob jane khoj lob kai de ado loan lobasi expansion toge growth lege hadi loan yaw dragadi sunga yaro ina tanjawa pesa suna chokolan gadoi ne sum ngai le regadi it will take many years ngamadi hadi it will take long time adu aina pami ba speed to this sung phangmang mai loan yaw dana yaro ngarang makta da khoi consultant amaga wari sanai masi hotel consultant ne maga discuss lokanda pesa chin some is a big project 5-star ki plan amai sum wari sana ne the investment is quite heavy it's quite a big project and high kanda yes it is heavy and but we have not financially we are very tight and high kanda no everybody has financial tightness ma kanogi koi Bill Gates dum pesa chile ma hai ado chinbai level do mana Bill Gates ki level chin mane hai moina $1 billion daga chin mado sandak de is maito na $500 million ki CP de adu na $2 billion pi de ga na adu maina high bada chin gi level se adu pesa chinbai level se lupa tara kuntra dai sum chilak paduna adu na $1 billion bhaw dum chinbai ai magi level du matuna adu life ta pesa ya marang kaina freely sina badi if you are entrepreneur I oigado mande pesa di day to day ki sina na badi you will have plenty but project sibudum chathari ba expansion plan and leragadi throughout life you will have the liabilities aduga adum loina na khoi adum chatkit tamne nai hai thamjage matam se ai 20 minutes pi bane do ai khamada me tarang te horum do male adu ai yargai thuna loisana bai tawjage strategies and plan na khoi organization na kari toge na have sai ta ai nga sai jo hai jagre entrepreneurship dai kem ta khang bana te tabudabu kari gumam tawta radi madu yam sincerely honestly machutana with a passion quite the best way to put hoga di that will always click habagi on the concept di lai jai aduga be always a pioneer kari gumam henam the pioneer oi base will have the advantage most of the time loina na disadvantage sulai the advantage ka disadvantage yang kan da pioneer oi basina advantage in a layer but we are not very sure about what's going to happen if you are the leader pioneer oi tar ga dikari no thok to is karmain taw da ge na habsi imang da mim tan taw dribni na madu khang da bani na ingon da chingnabam di laini adubu maduna oi ghroga di you will be the leader tungda mayam ma du gi threat to sangak pu ya do they will remain as the followers in a sum chalabai leader oi ribaina pioneer oi ribaina aigi stamina aigi activity to 100 raba adu di moina tan basum bhangaroi you will remain leader throughout adu mayam chu tanajasano aduga you keep on going sima ai ngonda ai na thajajabam li jai then avoid mushrooming asai discussion ju hai gare akoi swagi chana bi da mi ma success oi bu uragadi mayam hupchalaga plap changjalaga adu da loina ba paisa ju activity loina ba hupchalaga plap simina ba na sa hai gi to market yam pick panina same activity se mayam sang toragadi seller na buyer dagi hen taradi masana business dum fail loi tab ne duna akhoina pulap hupsan na to bagi mushrooming to basima yari ge avoid to phe ado akhoina su kana gumamna yam henna successfully activity mayam to gradi high level line to khoi chang dana wa dum hona jai quality is a must whatever that we do we should maintain the quality na bu phari ge di there will be no issue adubu in spite of all the commitment quality marak to fail loi basically is a part of the game marak to fail loi bidi hai issue 99% if you can maintain or 95% plus if you can maintain the quality that's good affordability is very important aina yam phare na hair su mina leiba ngamdragadi kanade adubu if your quality is good cost will also be higher mayana ju khangbi gadau se maman tang is maram am dilai ramgani maram leiba se am matamda quality to maintain tawna bhona bada cost si wangkhalakpane promotional activities akoi gi organization si promotional activities ka kan de akoi gi classic group khangde de no se khara khari dum tawi matang gi wena adu yam ka hena aggressive marketing yam kan ka tawde aduga anova introduction to khotpada marakta to banatana makhata na yam kan tawde adu I believe on word of mouth mina sandok pi base sina khwaidi hena effective boy ba du ba promotion ne have adu gi line to the thasai अखोई सर्विस पेलबा नुंगाइरेन हायरबा थागत पिरब मीदुना चटखरगा माना मी मंगा नत्र मी तरा हाई कांदा that spreads the say मी तरा दुना मुक another me 20 दम हाई गिबे अदमाइन तौदुना that is one of the best way of promotion aduga yam economical soiba pesa sangdaba taduna tabate activities me amdi pesa yam changba marketing policies ne we still have our future plans सही दी उम्रा सुजलक दौरे अदबु activity दिले पे आदे अदु planning जुले 3 multi specialty hospital already we have started construction सही अमा मखाई 18 months की target ni अदु all discipline लेवा hospital अमा अखोई की उसी cancer hospital campus इधर कोई साबा उजरे and 5-star hotel is again in the pipeline that will come up in hotel Imphal ki campus manung the 5-star hotel अमा porkani it may be branded with the national or multinational companies brand mall with entertainment park and cinema theater and marriage hall and multipurpose complex sigi mayam si akoi ki planning the lai jabadu gum activities ni matang si da akoi ki organization ni matang dai mayam gi mafam thamjaba matang stai lotion jare aduga court amaga imarakta hapsaga yam maru oiba yamna phajaba yam ten badi oiba meaningful di oiba dugma court ni everything started as nothing I'm to mun nang ta khanda bio sigi court se very nice meaningful court everything started as nothing horakpa matam da yam pikna insignificant oina crime to oidana uba adu maina hogi banga ta ninga si laising se Microsoft oigara then akoi gi Musk ki Tesla car oigara Ambani family ki वगैरह Ambani masama Dhirubhai Ambani masama si bujia yon bani pani Mount Abu ki pilgrimage lakpa mi sindu the bujia packet halaga yon bani duni and their family has become the richest family in the country adu ngarang nahan dai kui dana magi state ki competitor mana mabdi nandaraga thambira me Adani has become the richest man in the country now. The main topic, the emerging Manipur. Let's see what is the current status, what are the prospects where we can focus, and what are the issues and challenges. And I have a few words, some copied from others, to tell to the aspiring entrepreneurs. Mayam sida phambira mayam da ina wahi kharasu thamjage. Sigi heading makaj da jam thu nai matang hajarake. Government service ka entrepreneurship ka ani sigi si hek koina nai akoi ki society da as a general rule sarkar ki thabak si na thabak ne account tawi private sector si thabak ne account of de private sector da tawa thabak tawa mi si thabak thiri bne na mayam na dum khanai akoi ki organization da sahi tara manga thabak toraba mi status u wankhalaba tolop so haipher dum reasonably dum phajana phangaba magi parents no normal laga ngandawari sakanda aigi sajibu thabam tang phangjardi phadawne nai ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯗꯧꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯔꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯌꯦꯁ ꯗꯦꯐꯤꯅꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯨꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯍꯟꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯁꯨ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚꯂꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯏ ꯄꯤꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯔꯦꯟꯖ ꯈꯔꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯗꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯗꯦꯔ ꯏꯁ ꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯔ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯄꯥꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ 1 ꯂꯥꯈꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯟꯑꯦꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯈ 4-5ꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ we have no option but to go to the private sector otherwise you start your own business or your own enterprise aduna best option ne and this is the only solution for unemployment issue solve toge hardi isana isabu thok pijaba enterprise ama linkhalaga mi busu thok piba ai job seeker amor amadagi job giver mo iba sinatana atai solution leite at the same time economy of the country is decided by the entrepreneurs please remember the economy of the state economy of the country is decided by the activities of the entrepreneurs Pitrivida was quite a Kunbalevak, Ani higher the Japan and USA hires Animaxi. They have maximum number of entrepreneurs. Private sector acting entrepreneurs may have Moina higher country in Easy Pitrivida, quite a Kunba country, same is Moina never. Not by the government officials or government employees. The private sector plays a very, very important role in employment generation and also in giving job, in improving the economy of the state or the country. There is an encouraging trend khoi state su mayam atai state to bad maina yamna train amadi phasan lai ngasi mak sida pullaga mayam discussion tawri si mak activity amane nai dum logjage mamangai da simain to ba activity entrepreneurship enterprise ga wai ji bawa koina horok matam de taram de now everyone is talking about entrepreneurship there is a big wave koi naharon mayam ama different business activities story trading da then industry makal makha ayamba achauba macha hangdoktana activities mayam hore IT da koi naharon mayam ama activities mayam ama story adagi anuba mayam hana leram da service mayam hapchandana ambulance service restaurant pareng koi airport lambi da then koi ge assembly lambi the restaurant mayam thai ban parenga si restaurant mayam dare tabu restaurants say mushrooming tawre nai logjage there is mushrooming of restaurants aduna sellers and buyers ki si seller na buyer the yamagadi there will be a problem with in the business this needs to be kept in the mind home delivery service ka si koi manipur da anobuni jore si ka si koi naharon jingda main credit to moi da pijaninge anova idea puthokna aurisi ambulance service koi aigi mangda phamnan leire dayanand pivaral magi ambulance service medilensi manipur gi top ambulance service samo were yam 10 gram matamda is a phenomenal growth ni magi su aduga IT da su koi rosni globis ki there's a lot of growth and expansion going on. And another good news is about the startup units in Manipur. The Manipur government support to the startup unit mayamama koi fund thadana grant pidana adagi bank singa interface tawraga bank ki loan pihandana lot of activities are being done asai koi krishna ju panbi gre mi lising kano thawe manung da mi lising tarukta startup ki ग्रांट सिंग पीखरे ना हाइब लिसिंग तरुक तुदगी यामद्रबद मी लिसिंग अमा सक्सेसफुली लागदी अखोई हाइब पर्पस जो सर्व तौरे न कोई लोग आई लाखसु लाखने न खले स्किल ट्रेनिंग से हम इम्पोर्टेंट होय सिदसो कोई है न फोकस तो मथौ ताई activities focus area aina kitang tentang na thamjaromge service industries the hospitality and tourism education se koi educationist koi marak ta su yauri irabantagi siri koi chain of schools lere manipur da sida school dang hata focus to boy mota khara kitang higher education da ju khara focus to honjaninge maruina class 12 pass torga koi gi mafam sigi satra satra sing si makha tana like tamam leitana mapandal loina chapagi हेबी नमन लेरिसी हंदनबा कोई लोकली एटलीस्ट ग्रेजुएट लेवल दा अफबा कॉलेज खरा मणिपुर सु स्टार्ट तो बदर का तायन खंजई हारिबा एक्टिविटी सी इराबन तई आई इसाना दि चंजर रोय दम तो बिरो आई अमुक चंजर लगत अमुक कंपटीशन तो हरकने नई चंजर रोय दुगा हेल्थ केयर रिटेल बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस आईटी वेलनेस की एरियाज इन सर्विस सेक्टर नि हैंडलूम एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स अखोय हाले तन दम हायरे अपैरल agriculture is very important Manipur gumba state si agri the based over economy ne akhoi ngaitan da hai adubu are we have enough of food produced in the state answer is no import to ni cheng dei horaga nga ju yerum ju Hyderabad tagi under dei lai yerum ju nga ju under dei lai truck lotta everything is imported adu akhoi somdai di paisa in chakidoi ne adna sigi changai ba basic requirement food sidang akhoi na puthok cham ngamagadi our economy will grow like anything so agri area say the poultry hobi ai fishery hobi ai piggery hobi ai vegetable market koi farming to bi ai sige area si khare na focus to badar ka tagani amana akhoi na sigi ngasi mayam punbi riba hall si sabada ai khanjabada ceiling thariba then painting to riba electrification si akhoi swagi mina kya tarom do mante Zatiken mapan gi na akhoi lak mapan gi ni aduna sigi area si akhoi we need to focus a lot we engage almost 99% from outside for these works akhoi mi laitar bra khutsa haiba ju akhoi lamji mi sing khutsa yam haiba kangbu ni and we cannot continue thinking all the time for the white collar jobs sigi area da su ai educational level lu ga chanaba sida training toraga right from flooring carpentry then ceiling works aluminum works sigi area si hena focus to bama mathau tai another Manipur is a growing state developing means lot of constructions are bound to happen construction everywhere hek chalu mafam khuding the construction tau le rangani like kai khuding construction tau higher construction me am sigi manpower si why should we depend 100% from outside akhoi locally akhoi gi men at least 50% replace or about the lot of money we can save lupa crore amagi building ama sarak matam da lupa lakh nipu di misri na loe higher lakh nipu si mapanda pur chakra phem ado akhoi swai da le horagati it will be very big achievement for us sige area da mayam su khitang wakal thada biu isamagna subana trasu siga chanaba class 8 ka pass toraba thabakti phangdraba masana di pamja mi sing du khara motivate to biraga training course khara pi biraga moida sigi line se da thazan biraga di thabak phangda am laigani aduga they will become rich very soon example loina I am hijacker of the classic grand samatam da carpenter jo local ne aduga main mystery jo local ne sabagi structure tangkhai chalak pa dai da moi gi payment khara khara chauna pi gi matam da halak pa da moi next day the car am tonga le animak mystery ngak ne ko mystery na car tong bi yaro eva kem leite they are mysteries ado mysteries life long mystery hoy dong natte ba ngasi ai isana usurum ba ai isana check surum ba ai ado next moment next time I can take the leadership or managerial role lorga ikada mayam thamaga adum son ba ai mystery usuba yam haiba makun masa haiba ai ge loiner mamna hai no mamasi thabak suba lagte ke dore nan ke dorge nan kanda as doctor ai di masigi thabak si thadok sargen khali ai life long smai sum subu ngam janate aduna ai MOA hoina yaujare na hai mana kai gino MOA si di madi just ke no ne sell to lore yumda phamaga tor sel tor loire aduna paisa tan basne am lai u subu de di khale di sunga maroi ai na live long thabak su dong te nangi makha da ji kun kuntra mi kun kuntra le moi sual laga loire ga no na organize to godong ni smadu ai ka thajad re bai ma patha jar ga ma tokre do magi mari mata ama the sinner ma tokre the mari mata se he has become the richest man now ma hojis work site chat kan ma ji car tong tong chalaga magi thabak singu yeng chale this is the way aduna ai ngasi u sui harasu check sui harasu ai live long check su godong nate u su godong nate tabu khatang a khoina kokti khara thadab tare ai ngonda khara idea khara hin puthoga mayam ji control to bangam bagi shakti di legada bani and we need to empower the entrepreneurs promoting startups ai ngai haijagre Manipur government na yam kana hojik facilitate tori startup mayam da grant pidana bank connect obidana loan lahondana yam kana hona biri training and education moisi training hanjan tobam thok tai reorientation tob changi aduga loina na entrepreneurs sing si bankers singa una halma dharma thok tai adagi quite important orbadi akoi bagi environment si am healthy one mam changi law and order phagalan mam changi extortion la hendabam changi yes issues and challenges mai di habit phajam di phagale du still not perfect there lots of things sumara muttu dum tawi ising zima pipe ta lagte koi loina ba we depend everything on tankers so it's very expensive and very cumbersome transport and communication not very dependable road blockade ki degi problem ama dum heta lakpi ai adu hana degi there is very significant improvement financial problems yes capital and working capital se ayamba organization loin thengnai adu it's manageable depending on the caliber and capacity but law and order there is very much improvement in law and order mamangai gi khogi noi kamnare adagi bom pokhare du halam me khole adu mamayam dudi yam satina pagale adu still akhoida yam toina sokpa amadi dum riksu leiri madu the extortion gi damakte se ga in kanbada list sembada khoi number 1 da leibren khanje madum ayam loina badum yore adagi makal suna loina ba yore adubu life sisu adaptation di dum tawe mamangai da haurakpa matamda nipa macha mana khoigi envelope ngangli bam leibdo aduma sinaram taradi khoji kala kasni eba pakhatna nervous level do matam ngi matungina sum haina raktana hojikti smai tawre na gi manager na ga o labra pare ngangna rodu loiselo ana yam lightly loropas this is also one of the adaptations life adaptations is dum maruoi the lastly is the market limitations hai ngasai akoi kanona vikram na habiramba market si akoina somda da yeng lere is the west yeng drim manum kai gino hai do west means akoi Indian market si it's quite a huge market somda koi target to se hai bani the market limitations we need to expand the market koina swaida limited where sum laibai mohta we need to find out ways and means how to expand the market to other parts of the country loisalapada slide ani dangare let's big dream I mean let's have big dream but realizable dream I na haija bani realizable dreams I na big dream to dream big hana yam hana chawba dream tawraga ngamoi da bor the so frustration lakani aduna oi thokpa yaba dream to si and competition is order of the day competition di normal ge sum hengalaka dawni aduna we need to prepare ourselves for that success and failures are two sides of the coin ngasi fail oibdu hayang dum success oibi ai success oramba fail orak pada ngninga leite time management and punctuality is one very important in our life and we have the habit of not honoring the time sigi example adi khaktang hai jagya koi baton na te yembiro sorat ki baton da koi pung tarama thoye na igni luhong ma da pung ama igni sorat lakpada pung ama da langna gani luhong ba pung hom da langna gani aduna di pung ani gi grace time ne khoi na piri se hana su dum hai jagya me am tabira mani akhoi da time si pung ama yor di ran ani ma khai da chala chapchar ni dai da adugi concept system lairagadi we cannot develop. Japanese ka sumkhar loina jabada noma Japanese official lamana ingonda hangi program je pung mari da tawdaba chief minister yawgadaba doctor is your 4 o'clock the actual 4 o'clock and man I yes why not it's at 4 o'clock. There are 70 delegates from Japan, though they have been in India for last 5-6 years. As regards time, they are still Japanese in the Moinai. Moje sahi manga trukti India le do timing idi moje still Japanese nan. Do aina dia pung mari do chapsa honi hai to khre. Ambassador then British High Commissioner si pung mari tado minute manga waling da moi zara thaujale. Yam ngana su lakti. Yam ngana yoksala su thabak lai tabgi sign ni ko simasu. Matam chana yobusina best thing ni don't go very early. Yam very early or sanang thabak lai te buli na. Adana matam chana yoba hai bani. Never be late but be always on time. Ade masi chap chana thungare adi chief minister si yorok tre hai ba tawga. 20 minutes thenga lai. Ado manung do moi phamaga dum ngai. Ado moi kesu hai dre kano moi da is taken for granted India da di matam hai si chana de si moi dum kang. Sincerity and hard work, I makata tajatrasu yare. Yam phasaba line ni I sagi natte mingondagi silakpani. Do not help your competitor, but do not harm them. I competitor si mateng pangro ni ma onjala chaslakne. Never help your competitors. Koi sai su competitor mai andum nei. Then let's not help each other, but let's not try to harm each other. Harm the tonoroi si disu help the tonor kanoto si help the tonoroi si harm the tonoroi si. And opponents are expected, but do not create enemies. Aigi opponent badi dum laini ai pam da mi leramgani ai bu nungsi da mi dum yawgani ai na torsi yaning da dum yawgani adubu sumna yaning da badu de ngon da harm the toroi aduga ai enemy oraba ai ma khanna graba adu he will try to harm me. The enemy ga sumna yaning da ni si yam khene aduna let's not create enemies. Enemies will always try to harm. And promise less and deliver more. This is time-tested slogan for any organization, for any business. And risk-taking a must for all entrepreneurs. Prepare for the worst. Everything is not bed of roses. There are thorns also. There are difficulties also. Very recently, Dayanandana, koi Facebook just shared toropodo. Peaceful progress and stressful success. Which one is better in Hangimana? Yam peaceful progress and successful, stressful success hai. Karam mana pamge na hangi. मैं हम कर्म मना पाम्बी उनता है भी रोने. याम peacefully तुम progress तुम लेबा. हमने याम stressful वर्गा success थी पंगबा. कर्म पाम्बी के मैं. Option 1 or option 2? Option 1 को हम तो धागा पियो. Okay. Option 2? 1 ने हैंगर माले. Okay. And lastly, let's dream big. Start small. But most of all, start. Start put tawdradi sumay oidre. Oibayay, oidabayay. Start it tobiro. Sida may ampun biriba. Han entrepreneur oibi may am siyaure. Oige na kanbi may am siyaure. By any means, start tobiro. Start put tawdradi karigumam li thola ni. Start tawdradi sumay oiroi. Sige court si aduki matik phasai. Yam de teli yam pick pa wahi khaktani adu meaning dadi yam chawba. Adu mentai na sikhakalaga mayam da shares tawjabani. Wai khara jai jaraga matang se loisan jaraga. Thank you very much.